Good morning class, this is a science class and today we will do next chapter, that is lesson lesson 13. So open a page number, that is 81. The chapter name is water. So today we will read this chapter, then understand it. Okay, so open your book, science book, page lesson 13, page number 81. Okay, so start reading. Let's start reading. Okay, so this one is today's chapter, water. Let's start reading. Water is essential for all living things. All plants, animals and human beings need water to stay alive. Sources of water. We get water from rain. Rainwater collects in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. Okay. Now open the next page, that is page number 82. Some rainwater gets collected into the soil as underground water. We dig wells and tube wells to get underground water. Hand pumps are also used to get underground water. Most of us get water through taps in our homes. Storage of water. At our homes, we store water in different containers. Always cover the water stored for drinking. Uses of water. Water is used for many activities. That is, water is used for drinking. Water is used for bathing. Water is used for washing clothes. Water is used for cooking. Water is used for putting out fires. Water is used for watering the plants. Okay, so now open the next page, that is page number 83. Clean water. We must drink clean water. Drinking dirty water can make us fall ill. We should boil or filter water to make it clean. Okay, so that's it. So this is the chapter. You have to read this chapter and send voice message while reading. Okay, let's understand the first paragraph, that is water is essential for all living things. So water, you all about know what is water. क्या होता है जो हम लोग पानी पीते हैं. हाँ, water is essential for all living things, मतलब सारे living things पता है, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स, जो जितने भी लिविंग थिंग्स होते हैं वो उनके लिए वाटर इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. हम लोग पानी पीते हैं, बिना पानी के नहीं रह सकते. सेम एज एनिमल्स को भी पानी चाहिए एंड प्लांट्स को भी पानी चाहिए. ऑल प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स नीड वाटर टू स्टे अलाइव. सो जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं, एनिमल्स हैं एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं, उनको वाटर चाहिए जीने के लिए. ओके, so this is the activity. Cross the things which do not need water. So you have to cross that things which do not need water. Okay, so let's do it. Take out your pencil and let's start do this activity. Okay, so first one is cow. So this is a living thing and living things need water, so make a tick. The second one is chair. So chair is a non-living thing. Chair do not need water to, so this one is make a cross. Third one is bus. So bus need water? No, bus do not need water, so make a cross on it. Now the number 4 is girl. So girl need water. Girl is a living thing, so she need water, so make a tick. Then fifth one is tree. So tree is also need water. ओके, प्लांट्स और ट्रीज को भी पानी चाहिए होता है, पानी देते तभी ये बड़े होते हैं ना. सो मेक अ टिक. So you have to do this activity in your science book and read this paragraph. And the sources of water: we get water from rain. Rainwater collects in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. Okay, so now the next is sources of water. So water हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं? फ्रॉम रेन. जो पानी बरसता है ना, उससे हमें पानी मिलते हैं. कैसे? पानी ये जो बरसता है, रेन मतलब पानी जो बरसता है, वो रेन वाटर कलेक्ट्स इन ओशियंस. ओशियंस मतलब जो हर जगह देखा होगा, कहीं पे ओशियंस होते हैं, सीज होते हैं, तालाब ना, रिवर्स, लेक्स, नदी, ये सब होते हैं ना. तो यहाँ पे पानी कैसे आता है? बाय द रेन वाटर. ये कलेक्ट्स होते हैं और फिर अंडरग्राउंड थ्रू ये हमारे घर में आता है. ये आपको हम कल बताएंगे. सो टुडे यू हैव टू रीड फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर. ओके, so send voice message while reading. This is your today's work, and this is your written work. Okay, thank you class.